Situated in the heart of London's Canary Wharf business district, Fraser Place offers luxury apartments surrounded by a stunning skyline. Apartments have modern kitchens and lounge areas. Residents are just a 5-minute walk to quality shopping, a wide choice of restaurants, and popular cafe bars. Canary Wharf Tube subway station is only half a kilometer away, connecting guests with the rest of London. Each stylish apartment has an elegant open-plan lounge, dining area, many with floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking the business district. Some of the spacious bedrooms have a balcony also offering views. A large equipped kitchen allows guests to prepare meals and enjoy them together in the dining area. There is an oven, stovetop, fridge, freezer and dishwasher. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.